Here are a few terms associated with hand hygiene. You have excipient, humectant, ingredients that are added to hand hygiene products to moisturize the skin, that is to prevent the skin from being too dry. Medical gloves include the examination gloves, surgical gloves, and chemotherapy gloves. Resident flora that we talked about a while ago. Transient flora. And the expression visibly soiled hands, which are hands that we can see are actually soiled. They are actually stained by dirt or some other fluid like blood, for example. Here we have definitions of different hand hygiene products. You have alcohol-based hand rub that you probably already know. That's the liquid or gels you use to sanitize your hands. You also have antimicrobial or medicated soap, that is soap or detergent containing antiseptic agent. And an antiseptic agent is a substance that inactivates microorganisms or prevent them from growing. And then you have antiseptic hand wipes, like the wet tissues that you use to sanitize your hands. You have detergent, just regular detergent, also called surfactant, plain soap, and a waterless antiseptic agent like the alcohol-based hand rub. Let's move now to the vocabulary of hand hygiene practices. You may think that this is a lot of definitions, but as you will see, many of these expressions are actually synonyms. You have first the antiseptic hand washing, which is washing your hands with soap or water or any other detergent containing antiseptic agent. And then you have antiseptic hand rubbing, which is similar to antiseptic hand washing, with the difference that with hand rubbing you do not need water. And then you have the expression hand antisepsis or hand decontamination or hand degerming. These expressions just refer to the action of performing antiseptic hand washing or antiseptic hand rubbing. Hand care refers to actions you take to reduce the risk of skin damage or irritation, like using moisturizing products. Hand washing is just a regular hand washing your hands with plain soap or antimicrobial soap and water. And then you have hand cleansing, which is close in meaning to hand antisepsis, which is the action of performing hand hygiene. And then you have hygienic hand antisepsis, again similar in meaning to hand antisepsis or hand cleansing. And then you have hygienic hand rub, similar in meaning to antiseptic hand rubbing. And hygienic hand wash, similar to antiseptic hand washing. Then you have surgical hand antisepsis or surgical hand preparation or pre-surgical hand preparations. All three expressions referring to hand hygiene before surgery. Just sanitizing, how you sanitize your hands before surgery.